Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the browser and signing into your Gmail account. This is the only credential step. Once signed in, make sure you're on the main Gmail inbox view and not in settings. This ensures the app installs correctly. If you use multiple profiles, pick the profile you want pinned to the desktop. Now, locate the browser menu or app install icon. This begins the conversion from web page to desktop app, and it's the first actionable move you'll take. Once you select Install App or Create Shortcut and choose Open as Window, the browser wraps Gmail into a standalone window. That's how the desktop feel is achieved. Make sure to pin the new app to your taskbar or dock so you don't have to search for it later. If you want incoming message alerts, grant notification permission when prompted. This ties web notifications to your operating system. After installation, test by closing the browser tab and launching the desktop app directly. To finish, configure the app to launch at startup if you need constant access. This keeps Gmail available without opening a browser first. Make sure sync is working by sending a test message. If mail doesn't update, clear cookies or re-login because stale credentials often block sync. If notifications don't appear, check both the browser permissions and your OS notification settings. Sometimes you must re-enable alerts after updates. Finally, pin or shortcut the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.